Okay, when you're spelling your name, one thing that is really important to remember is one, your palm orientation is going to stay out. So when you're spelling your name, you want to try to keep your hand as still as possible. You don't want to bounce all over the place. Okay, so when I'm spelling my name, it's Angela. Okay, so Angela. I don't want to bounce all over the place. That's really hard to read. So as you're learning to practice, as you're learning ASL and you're practicing, is what I meant to say. I want you to try to stabilize your arm, hold your hand if you have to try to limit yourself from bouncing all over the place. The reason that happens is your brain, this is the hardest part of ASL is finger spelling. Your brain doesn't walk around and we don't walk around going, hey, have you seen Angela? Like we don't do that. We don't walk around spelling out people's names unless we're trying to hide a trip to the zoo from our children. Then we'll say, can we go to the ZOO on Saturday? But we don't really do that. That's not part of what we do as hearing, speaking people. So the finger spelling concept is probably the most difficult to learn. I've been signing 26 years, and this is probably one of the hardest concepts is reading other people's finger spelling and also getting it off your hand yourself. So if you're struggling in the beginning with finger spelling, just take a deep breath. It's going to be okay. It's the hardest part of this language, so you will get it. That's why we teach it first.